guys, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, then welcome to my channel. It's Cammy and Baby. So today I figured I would do a mukbang or mukbang or whatever those things are called. Yeah, so I'm gonna do that. I have a Fanta, a berry Fanta. They're caffeine free. Yeah, it's a Fanta. And I have some spicy noodles. They're spicy teriyaki beef, I think. They look like this. They have little pieces of like, I don't know, like this stuff in them. The packaging changed and like the way, because you used to have to put like the little vegetable leaf things in there with the water, but this time when I opened the package, they were already in there, and then you just fill it up with water, and then after you heat it in the microwave, you put your sauce on. So it changed a little bit, so I'm kind of scared to like, because I don't want it to taste bad, because I really like these spicy noodles. Spicy noodles. So I'm gonna open up my Fanta. Parker is right there. He's in the living room of our new house. He is watching Bubble Guppies on Nick Jr. Maher. Yeah. I look a mess. Parker is not exactly being the best sleeping buddy at the moment, keeping me and my husband up. So I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna do like a little spaghetti twirl. I think they kind of taste a little different too. It's not bad. Just not sure if it's, I don't think it's the same. So I will be doing a house tour, or like, not house tour, well actually a house tour. This weekend. My dad is currently in the hospital. If you've been watching me from like the get-go, you would know that we moved in with my father. We were in our own apartment, and then I got pregnant, and we moved in with my dad after our like lease or whatever contract thingy was up. I think it was around June or July of last year. So we moved in there because I was pregnant, and my husband was gonna get out of the military, and just, you know, we didn't know how much our, a baby was gonna cost. We were very, I don't know, we just didn't know. We didn't know what to expect. So, we moved in there for those reasons, and also because my dad had fallen off the roof. I don't know what he's doing. My dad fell off the roof. He broke his ankles and like parts around his ankle. He was in a wheelchair for like forever. He's now currently like walking and doing all that stuff again, which is good. So yeah, we moved in with my dad because he had fallen off the roof and he'd broken his ankles, and it was before our lease was up that all this stuff happened, because it's been quite a bit of time, like a year and a half or so. And so we moved in there to help him out and all that, but he started walking a while ago, not really a while ago, but like walking decently. He's still got a limp and whatnot, but in one of his feet, he has a hole, because, I don't know, his doctors suck. So he had to go to the hospital to get bacteria stuff taken out because they said icky stuff was in it, so they are doing that, and then they're stitching up the hole because originally the hole was supposed to be self-closing. But it wasn't. So there's that. But he's in the hospital, and he's gonna be there. He went in on Friday. Today is Wednesday, and I think he said hopefully he'll get out tomorrow. So hopefully, you know, everything goes good because he had a surgery on it again, and then he's getting it stitched up either today or tomorrow. But I wanted to wait because my grandparents really want to come over and see our house, which is really cool. But I wanted to wait till my dad was out of the hospital because he's been over once, but that was like not when all of our stuff was here and everything wasn't painted. He was helping painting my son's room actually. So he hasn't been back since then. So I wanted everyone to just come over together just so it's fair because I just want everyone together, and I thought I would make food and, you know, they can see our house and all that stuff. He's drinking juice. But yeah, just so it's fair and all that, and I will film that video. I want them to come over on Sunday because my husband's off on Sunday. And I want, because if you could see our living room right now, it's full of Parker's toys. There's like a chair that's normally back. My husband put it in like the middle to play his dumb football Madden game. There's bongos out here because my son likes to bang on them. There is a like small laundry basket that held my son's like plastic balls. There is his little penguin toy. There is a little zebra pusher toy. There's a little rocket thing. There is a box from baby wipes that he had that he likes to play with. So it's just a mess, and I'm going to put like everything up on Sunday just because we'll be having people over, so I want to film it on that day. So that everything's like, it's in its spot, because after they come over, I'm sure my son will go get his toys and bring them out and like, you know, be a baby. Make messes, all that. I really want to start vlogging more. We've had so much going on with the move and like all of that stuff. We still don't have all of our stuff here. A lot of it is still at my dad's. So, but I want to get back into the swing of things, of filming and all that fun jazz. I think I like these better than like ramen noodles. Just because I feel like whenever I do ramen noodles, I feel like it's more watery than it should be. And like watery in taste. Not like, because these are like, I can't remember, they're like chow mein. I think that's the, and it's spicy teriyaki beef, I'm pretty sure. Because I don't like the regular teriyaki, and I like spicy, so, but they're like thicker noodles, and I like that they have those little, I don't know, veggie thingies, whatever they are. I'm filming on my phone, so that's why I keep looking at the wrong spot. I mean, I do that on my actual camera too, but I filmed Parker's 1 year update, but it's gonna take a lot of editing because the whole time he was like grabbing the camera, he was babbling. So, and if I try to film it again, the same thing is gonna happen. So I'm just gonna try to edit it the best that I can so that I can get that update out on the tube for everyone. Dab, dab, dab. I don't know if you guys have this berry Fanta wherever you live. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Noodles, noodles. This is not healthy at all. At all. Every time I slurp a noodle up, I feel like it hitting my chin. Real cute. Real cute. You guys can probably hear the big block short show, whatever it's called. He's obsessed with it, my son. He'll just stare at it for like ever. But noodles. Last bite.